back to my channel. I am Sammy Jayne and today I have got the subscription boxes for you guys. Now, this is a little bit different because I can't find September's GLOSSYBOX anywhere. I don't know what happened to it. So I've got September's BIRCHBOX here, but because I missed last month's August's boxes, I've got August's GLOSSYBOX. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open August's GLOSSYBOX and September's BIRCHBOX, and that's what we're, yeah. So I'm just going to show you what's in both of them. So let's do it. Let's start with the GLOSSYBOX because it's from August. So it's got nice little packaging on going here. It's quite cute. It's quite pridey. And then inside, oh, it's very pretty. There's lots of like rainbowy stuff going on. I hope everything is still in here. My bad. I suck at this. I suck. This is why my channel's not growing, because I suck. Right, so let's get straight into it and see what we got. So I'm seeing this Selfie Skin coconut oil. Oh my god, it's a coconut oil sheet mask. I wish I could smell it. Not that coconut oil even smells like coconut, does it? Like, I want to try it. Okay, let's read what it says. My eyes are hurting, by the way, guys. This nourishing sheet mask is formulated with coconut oil for mega soft skin and insta complexion perfection. Wash and dry your face. Position the mask. Yeah, so we know how to apply a mask. And the RRP is £5. Okay. So next up, Trifle Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Jam. Is that this one? What the heck is this? Okay. Lip and Cheek Jam. Am I in focus? This multitasking lip and cheek jam, I've never heard of that before, is the key to getting a healthy natural flush of colour that will last up to 10 hours. Dab two tiny dots on the apples of your cheeks and lips and then blend with your fingers. Keep it natural and nonchalant. Let's have a look. What's the RRP? RRP is £17.50. This is a full size as well. Ooh. Oh! Oh, this is it. I'm glad we got this box. I'm glad we did this box one now. I just didn't get around to doing it last month, and then I'm just going to put a bit on my hand. Doesn't really smell of much. Oh, I quite like this. It's quite fun. Oh, I could put it on my lips. Well, it's not going to show up on my actual lips, is it? But so it's rubbing into a very, very natural. You can just see that there. So that's quite fun. That would be quite cute to wear with nothing, like if you didn't have any makeup on, but just put a bit on your lips and maybe your cheeks. Okay, that's kind of cool. I like that. It feels quite like expensive as well. It's quite heavy and just cute. I like that. Okay, what we got next? Highlighter. Oh, is it a cream one? Astro Light highlighter. Okay, now we're talking, guys. So, be as subtle or vibrant as you fancy it with this illuminating 8-hour highlighter from the fun and fearless, I can't say that word, Kaleido Cosmetics. We love that it's 100% cruelty free, vegan friendly and smells gorgeous too. A dab on the high points of your face. Let's do it. I have got highlight on, but let's just do it anyways. This is quite a good box. It is cream, which isn't my jam, but jam. Wow. Oh, I like the smell. Wow, can you see that? Oh, I like it. I know I've already got highlight on and it's probably not... You can't really tell because I've already got the highlight on, but... Is it glowing? It is quite, let's put it on my hand instead. Duh. So that's what it looks like when you've just dabbed it. It's very... It is quite dark, but I don't feel like it looks too dark on my face though. I think once you rub it in, it's not so bad. Does it look dark on my face? Or maybe it does. Oh no, now do I just look really stupid? With like some pink blobs on my face. Oh well, it's fine. So I'm quite happy with that. That's quite fun. Yay, I'm exciting. I'm exciting. I meant to say I'm excited, but I'm exciting as well. I'm sure you all agree. The shadow paint 706. Blue eyeshadow. Blue eyeshadow? Shut up. What is this? No. Blue eyeshadow is back. Vanessa Hodgins and Chloe Grace Moretz are just some celebrities rocking blue eye looks right now. We are loving this midnight blue cruelty-free eyeshadow. Oh my god, highly pigmented, long-lasting and waterproof. What the heck? Oh my god, this is an eyeshadow. Oh my god. This is coming in a Makeup Monday, you guys, for sure. Holy cow. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave this on and see if it does like dry in really well. But that is an eyeshadow, you guys. Wow, that is so weird. Can you imagine? Oh my god, that is so weird. I love it. Okay, so we have that, and that is RRP is £8.95 and the highlighter is £13 RRP. And these are all full size. See, this is where GLOSSYBOX outweighs, is that the right word? Or like overtakes BIRCHBOX, that a lot of their products are full size and BIRCHBOXes are nearly always just small samples. Oh my god, so that's it. Wait, last thing is Rimmel London Ink Me Stamp and Sticker Tattoos. This duo from Rimmel's Ink Me range is the perfect way to edge up your look. This is the box that Mercedes was talking about, and she was asking me about that and if she thought some of these would be Makeup Mondays, and definitely, like, I remember now. So yeah. August. Did I see Mercedes in August? June, July, August. I can't remember. Anyway, shut up. So we've got a heart stamp tattoo and sticker tattoos. I'm so excited about this. So this is basically like a liner, but it's like a heart. Shall we try it? I love it. I love it! I'm sorry for shouting. Oh! Oh, that's so cute! I love it. So that's that. Obviously that's a full size. Is there an RRP? Oh, so the RRP is £4.99 for both. So that's that. Rimmel is such really like good price, isn't it? Like, such really good price. Just like my English is such really good. And then Ink Me metallic sticker tattoos. I'm excited about this. It's my mum's engagement next week and I might have to use some of these. Would you put them on your face? I probably would. So that's just these and they're so cute. I have to say I'm right happy with this box, you guys. I'm happy with this box. So apparently August was a good month. I can't say for September because I don't have a flipping box. So the reason why it's taken me so long, I'm filming this towards the end of the month because my GLOSSYBOX, I wasn't in when it came and it went to the post office and then it took me like a week before I could get it. But now I've lost it and I could have just blooming filmed this one last week. Anyways, let's move on to the BIRCHBOX. This is actually September's BIRCHBOX. Let me just make sure that it definitely is. I think it is. September. So, what have we got in here? I'm going to do it in order. So, like the box, by the way, it's another drawery box and it's quite cute. So, I'm liking the box. So, we've got Benefit or Powder in California. So, it's basically the California powder. And again, I mean, obviously it wasn't going to be a full-sized one. That's not what California's like. So that's what you get. But this is what California is actually. I mean, to be fair, you can actually see. That's California there, as you can see it. And it comes with like gold, but I suppose to be fair, that gold does rub off like straight away, and then it is just like the orange, I guess. But that's just what that looks like. That's not, to be fair, for a blush, that's actually not a bad size. Like, you will get a lot of uses out of that. So it's 1.6 gram. The RRP for California for the full size. Where's my thing gone? For the full size is £25.50. But actually, to be fair, for a blush, that's actually not a bad size. I might start using that. I think I might keep that in my drawer, like my everyday drawer. So that's quite cool. I'm happy with that. So next we've got an Ico brow liner. I've got loads of Ico liners. Shut up. Well, that's what it's doing. Would you do your brow? It's green! What? I don't understand. Maybe it needs shaking or something. It's brow liner in medium. But do you know what, you guys? This is going to be another Makeup Monday video, this. I'm telling you. Because I can do a proper... If this works, I'll be quite excited with this if it works. It says it's waterproof as well. Water resistance, liquid brow colour. Say goodbye to regular brow pencils and say hello to this innovative liquid liner. So, in theory, that could be quite good. So I will do a Makeup Monday on that and see how that goes. I thought that was just another, because I've got loads of these Ico eyeliners, just the black liquid liners, and they're really good, but you just get, they come in a lot of boxes. Next up we've got the Marcel 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturising emulsion, which is not that one, this one. So this again, it's just tiny. Look how small it is. The RRP is £23 for the full size. However, this has only got 7ml in it. So you wouldn't get that many uses out of it. It's not tiny, but it's very small. Protect your skin from the effects of pollution. Doobie-doobie-doobie-doobie-doo. Apply morning and night for a fresh, healthy complexion. So, yeah, it's quite small. But anyway, moving on. This one is Caudalie. Now, I feel like I have quite a few of these little samples. This is a sample again, but it's not a bad size. It's just like a skin toner, and you will get plenty of uses out of that. That's a good size, to be fair. Unlike harsh toners of the past, this gentle incarnation purifies and refines the skin without drying it out. Enriched with powerful blend of essential oils. Right, we're going to have to give this a little sniff. I think I've already got a few of these, you know, that have come in like Marks and Spencer's advent calendars or other boxes that I get. But yeah, that's not too bad, to be fair. And then finally, a beauty protector. The RRP is £21.50, and this is again just a tiny little sample. Multitasking spritz gives every... So basically you just spray it in here. It's a volume spray. Oh, it smells good. I just wanted to smell it. It smells good, I like it. I think I've got a few of these, like this brand as well. Oh, now have I got like... Oh, it smells really nice actually. I really like the smell of that. Right, so that's everything. I'm actually pleased with both boxes. I think this is my favourite thing out of this one. Also, that brow thing is quite exciting. Let's just have a right quick swatch of that. Oh, I'm going to start wearing this blush. And even though it is just a small sample, you're still going to get quite a few uses because you don't use a lot of blush, do you? If it was a highlight, it wouldn't last me that long, but because it's a blush, I think I'll get a good few uses out of that. So, right, I just want to try this, right, so, this eyeshadow now. I shouldn't be doing this because I'm going to do a first impressions on it, but, yeah, I'm excited to try it just because it's a bit different. So that is it for this video, you guys. That spray is reminding me of something really badly. Oh my god, I know what it is. Right, it's not exact, but it smells quite a little bit like the So Kiss Me perfume. If anyone's ever had the So perfumes, it smells like Kiss Me. That's really strange. If anybody else has got this and that, tell me if you think it smells a little bit similar. So anyway, my friend who I don't really speak to anymore, she moved to Australia. She got me this for one Christmas and I love the smell of it, and when I spray it now, it reminds me of her. It's a little bit sad actually. But yeah, so so that's a little story that you'll now know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm happy with both boxes. I know they weren't both from the same month, but they pick and choose whatever they're going to put in, you know what I mean? It's an example of what Birchbox puts in their boxes and an example of what GLOSSYBOX put in their boxes, and actually they're both pretty decent. I do think that the GLOSSYBOX is still better and the products are more full size, but I'm still happy with Birchbox this time. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I love you so, so much. I hope you are excited for Vlogoween next month. And I mean, I'm very, very excited. I can't believe it's nearly October. I've even got like a long sleeve shirt and cardigan on because it's freaking cold in my house, and I'm not putting the heating on until at least October, at least. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah! Bye!